A very warm welcome to all. I am Gurpreet from Divine Abundance, and here from this platform I am going to give you Monday tarot readings, Tuesday switch words, Wednesday law of attraction, Thursday and Friday is much more to come. So stay connected here from Divine Abundance. Welcome all for joining in. Let's start the tarot session. I invite angels at this platform so that we get the right guidance from the angels and the divines for your readings. For your personalized readings, you have to share my session into 5 groups, and then I will be answering your personal question. Jaspreet and Neelam Mistry, welcome to my session. Please share them in 5 groups. Topic for today is what universe is guiding us today for all the 12 sun signs. So let us go and start. Supreet Sandhu, thank you for signing in. Thank you for sharing. Please share my session so I could answer your questions. I'll start the universal guidance for the sun sign Aries. So, what angels are guiding us for Aries? Angels are guiding Aries to come together and be one with your intuitions so that you can take the right decisions, because at this moment Aries are suffering from very high level of confusions and they need to change their thoughts. So this one was for Aries. Thank you Jaspreet for sharing. So I will take your question. Is your husband telling the truth or he's telling a lie? Yes, he wants to take you home. But there are some parental issues involved. Due to that, he wants to take you home, not for the reason you are understanding. That was for Jaspreet. I hope you resonated with my reading. Neelam, please share it in 5 groups so I could answer your question. Thank you Supreet. You can leave a review for my reading. So meanwhile, I take the next sun sign after Aries. Please share my session into 5 groups. Next sun sign after Aries I am taking is Taurus. So what universe want to send the message to this Taurus? Friends, the message is very clear. You have to balance your spirituality in the practicality, because chasing money is good, but chasing money with the right consciousness is very important. So you have to chase money. You have to do not chase money, attract money with the right consciousness. Okay, my dear friends. So chase money with the right consciousness. That is the message for Taurians. Now, Jasprit, only one session at this moment. Okay. So I will be answering the question for Neelam Mistry. Angels, please guide me for Priya Mistry. She will be getting freedom from her past life fears. And she will be divinely guided. In her future, she is protected. That was for Priya Mistry. Thank you, Neelam, for sharing. Next question I am taking for Supreet Sandhu. For my personalized session, I have put my details in the comment section and you can connect to me for personalized readings. She's Supreet. The feelings are there, but it is under the covers. He does not himself recognize his true feelings for you. ठीक है, तो जब उनको समझ में आ जाएगी वो आपको भी बोल देंगे. That was for you, Supreet. Please share my session into 5 groups so that I can answer your personalized question. Meanwhile, today's topic for reading is universal message for 12 sun signs. So we have gone through Aries and Taurians. So next sun sign I'm going to take is Gemini. So what message universe want to communicate for Gemini? Gemini is moving towards better time. Past time was a little bit difficult. They are gaining momentum towards growth. It's time to exercise willpower and show the real you, authentic you for Gemini. Jasprit, for more questions you can take my personalized session. Thank you so much. Juhi Patel, thank you for signing in. Please type in your question. Nandi Josh, please type in your question. Okay, Juhi, I got your question here. Okay, this is for Bhagyashri Patel, Rahul Ankar, who is my life partner. And I have photo with you have feelings for me. Okay, it is between Rahul or Omkar. See, Rahul has feelings for you. Omkar is little bit aligned towards his parents. He will want to get married to a person who the parents will improve. And Rahul is little bit sad because you are not actually showing him the true feelings. There is some gap which I could see. So you can connect to Rahul. Next, I will be moving towards my universal messages for my next sun sign, which is Cancerian. Universe want to communicate Cancerians that please take care of your health and move in unconditional love and affection energies. No need to worry, you are taking too much you are taking too much stress. Stay grounded. And one another advice for my lovely Cancerian friends is connect to nature, you will heal faster. Thank you so much, my Cancerian friends. Now meanwhile, you just share my session into 5 groups so I could answer your question. Thank you. And for my personalized session, I have put in all my details in the comment box as well as the description of this live. So please stay tuned. Tomorrow I'm going to take the switch word consultancy. They are the magic words which trigger your subconscious brain for success. Nandi Josh, thank you for sharing. Next question is for you. Okay, this one's for you. Angels, please guide me for Nandi Josh. Yes, you have to go for your entrepreneur venture. Business start kijiye. Your spirits will be high and you will be out of this depression energy. You have to dance with life beautifully and take your passion or the business venture ahead. Best of luck. You can tune in tomorrow. I will tell you the switch word to come out of this depressed energy and how to just move ahead in life. Just come out of this negativity which is encircling you. Stay tuned for tomorrow 7 p.m. session with me. I'm going to tell you some lovely switch words for success. Thank you so much. So that next I'm taking another reading for my Leo friends. Leo, what universe want to say to you now? Harman, next I'm going to take your question. Thank you. Harman Seni. So my lovely Leos, it is time to heal your wounds and exercise your self-power. You're not alone. Divine is with you. It is a period of deep replenishment and rejuvenation. You are coming up from the downfall to a refreshed, recharged state of mind. So please focus more on positivity at this point. Gather yourself. New start is coming for you, my friends. Thank you, Leos. Next, I'm going to take question for Harman Seni. Okay. What kind of feelings about you? See, whatever conflicts and disputes you were having with your partner or a person you are asking question from, you are moving towards a revival. वो पहले का जो anger था, it is now cooling down and the state of revival is there. So do not compromise your own identity for the relationship. This is a very wise message. Angels and divines are telling you, don't dim to fit in. So whatever you are, show the real self to your partner and do not compromise on your ground as well. This one was for Harman Seni. Please give me reviews, and you can, for personalized reading, you can connect to me. All the details are in description box. So next I'm going to take the universal message, what universe wants to communicate to our next sun sign, which is Virgo. So my Virgo friends, stay tuned. Wow. So there is a happiness card for my Virgo friends. Universe wants you to be happy and patient no matter what your circumstances are. And let's see what more. Okay. You are in a mission towards serving humanity. So people who are into a community service or like profession where they have to serve people, like doctors which are serving humanity at this time and situation, you need to have lot of patience, love and affection and happiness in your energies, so that you can heal and serve the community at a very fast pace. This is your time. The ball is in your court. So stay tuned. Your emotions will be high at this point in time. Do subdue your emotion and operate from love. That was for my lovely Virgo friends. Thank you so much, Juhi. Now, next question I'm going to take is for Khushi, Khushbu. Okay, क्या चल रहा है उसके माइंड में, right? So I'm going to take it for Khushbu. अभी बहुत इम्बैलेंस्ड है. कुछ टाइम के बाद आपको कुछ उसके बारे में ट्रूथ्स पता चलेंगे. ही इज इन वेरी बैड स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. यू आर गोइंग टू नो सम ट्रूथ दैट वो किस सिचुएशन में फंसा है. आप तक अपने आप बात पहुंचेगी. और जहां तक कनेक्टिविटी और रोमांटिक एसोसिएशन का सवाल है, एक नई साइकिल शुरू होने जा रही है. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. अभी आप पेशेंस रखें. उसका रिकवरी पीरियड भी पास है, तो थोड़ा स्पेस देने की जरूरत है अभी. खुशबू, दैट was for Khushbu. You can share my session into 5 groups so I could answer your questions. Thank you so much. And for personalized reading and consultation, you can connect to me. All my details are in the description as well as comment box. Thank you so much. Next sun sign I'm going to take is for my lovely Librans. So what universe need to convey for my Libran friends? Stay tuned. Share my session into 5 groups so I could answer your personalized questions. Thank you. So Librans, this is a time for golden opportunity. Change your thoughts from negative to progressive and the positive ones. Be very optimistic towards the new ventures. This is a golden time for you. And whatever interests you, triggers you, attracts you, just take care. That is your chosen path, divine path. Move ahead with lot of confidence and positivity, my dear Liberals. Thank you. Whosoever wants to ask the question, please see my contact number is in description box. Do call me only do not call me, just WhatsApp me to book your appointment. And it's a complete no for the people who just say hi and do all kind of shitty things. So I am here to answer your question and help you get ahead in life. I am not here for the shitty things and the messages. Let me be very clear. So, universe, guidance for my next sun sign, Scorpio. Logan, I will take your next question. Thank you so much. Scorpions, it's a time to fly high, grab the opportunities, and you are getting very patient. Do not take rash decisions at this point in time. Be in a happy state of mind to take right decisions. Do not overstress, my dear friends, Scorpions. Now it's time for you to create your own heaven on earth. Very lovely message from my Scorpion friends. Thank you so much, Logan. This is Mohammed Shabazz. Okay. कनाडा का वीजा कब लगेगा? थैंक यू सो मच. एंजल्स, प्लीज गाइड मी. जल्दी ही आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगी. वेरी गुड, ब्यूटीफुल कार्ड्स फॉर मोहम्मद शाहबाज. जल्दी ही आपको हेल्पफुल सर्कमस्टांसेस मिलने जा रहे हैं आपके वीजा की फॉर्मेलिटीज में. डिवाइन इज गोइंग टू सपोर्ट यू. थैंक यू सो मच. Please do not write other tarot readers. This is my platform. Do not write inbox me now. This is so very bad. You are using my platforms to gain your clients. Thank you so much, my friends. Share my session into 5 groups so I could answer your personalized question. Meanwhile, I'll move quickly to my next sun sign, Sagittarius. What universe want to convey to my Sagittarius friends at this point in time? Sagittarius, you are in imbalanced energies, feeling alone. What is the guidance for you? In case you are into this imbalance, feeling alone and secluded, अगर आप अकेले रहेंगे, इम्बैलेंस एलिमेंट्स में रहेंगे, नेगेटिव थिंकिंग करते रहेंगे, लॉट ऑफ हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स आर कमिंग योर वे, सो प्लीज स्विच ऑन टू पॉजिटिविटी. आई इन केस यू वांट अ पॉजिटिव डोज फ्रॉम माय एंड, tomorrow is my switchword consultancy. You can just tune in 7 p.m. again, and also we run a paid channel for healing and meditation. You can connect to me to get into that group. Every 4th Saturday is free, so you can connect to me for the free mass healing meditation and healing sessions free. Connect to me for that. So you need to transform. Very beautiful message for my Sagittarius friends. They are in very much imbalanced state of mind, feeling alone, lot of health problems. You need to transform your state of mind. The way, whatever we'll think will happen for us. So switch to positivity, switch to positive thoughts. Please share my session into 5 groups so I could answer your question. Next is for Ritu Nenwal. Thank you so much. Current feelings of Aditya. Angels, please guide me the current feelings for Aditya. See, at At the time he is introspecting, but soon he is going to connect to you in a very positive way. Golden opportunity card for Ritu Nenwal. He will answer your call. The card says answer the call. So he is going to answer the call, or if you get call from his end, please answer his call and communicate very positively. That was for you, Ritu. Thank you. Next is for universal message for my Capricorn friends. So let's tune in. Capricorn, what universe wants to communicate to my Capricorn friends? Capricorn, again, this is a very beautiful time. You need to focus more on positivity, and you are capable of everything. You are enough is the message for you. So you have to just focus on the things which are triggering you. जो आपको अट्रैक्ट कर रही है अपने तरफ, वो ही आपका डिवाइनली गाइडेड पाथ है. इंट्यूशंस को फॉलो कीजिए और आगे बढ़ जाइए कैप्रिकॉन्स. थैंक यू सो मच कैप्रिकॉन्स. नेक्स्ट इज माय यूनिवर्सल रीडिंग फॉर माय एक्वेरियस फ्रेंड्स. So universe, what are you guiding for my Aquarius friends? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Aquarius is moving towards happiness from the imbalanced elements. They were in very negative state of mind, but they have changed from their negative mindset. They have switched now to more positive one, and the energy is gaining momentum and they are attracting growth. So like my Aquarian friends, we need to focus always on positive thoughts no matter what our situation is. So okay, very beautiful message for Aquarians. Aquarians, you need to release your old patterns and contracts, and you need to leave your past which is not serving you. So beautiful message for my Aquarian friends who are moving towards growth. All my wishes. Now the next reading is for Pisceans. Pisceans, what is the universal message for my Piscean friends? Angels, please guide me. Please release your feelings. If you hold your emotions inside your heart, it will create problems and diseases for you. Even if you are suffering, you are carrying that heartache inside you. You need to release it. You need to release all the negative emotions inside you. It's a very strong message for my Piscean friends. Let me see what is the guidance. You are being called at a divinely guided path which just needs your yes. So Pisceans, move towards positivity. Universe is calling you. Just say yes to the opportunities that are coming your way. Do not hold the past, because time is changeable. It changes with every second. Whatever you experience in the past does not hold good in the future. So that was my lovely friends, that was my today's session. Whosoever have not been answered today, either you can connect to me for personalized paid readings, and in case you want to get your answers You can connect to me on Monday tarot sessions. Tomorrow I will be guiding you what are switch words. They are miraculous words which need to be just chanted and success will be yours. So stay tuned for tomorrow's session. It will be a lovely new healing modality, a technique which can trigger the success and your wishes can come true very easily. So my friends, that's all for today. I'm closing this session. Thank you so much. Love and light. Stay safe. Om Shanti.